Okay, here's a quick lecture on Starbucks. There's going to be questions, about 7 questions at the end, which I want you to answer in a form. So here's a quick review. We're talking about brands and how images are remembered. Remember from the first class last week. So everybody knows about Starbucks. Let's have a little bit of history, like a case study. All right. So Starbucks was first opened in 1971, in the first part of the year, March 30th. The place was Seattle. That's in Washington. Okay, that was the first time Starbucks was opened up by a couple of, I think, school teachers. It was a group of three guys, I think, who just wanted to have better tasting coffee. So that was opened up in the west of the US. How many stores in the world are opened up every day? There's at least 2 stores. Since 1987 there was around the world at least 2 stores are opened, or 2 concessions opened up every day around the world. So that's a reason why it's the biggest. In one area in the US, there is 560 Starbucks in 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers. All right. So a little bit less than the length of Tokyo and Yokohama together. For 560 in that's in Santa Fe Springs. Santa Fe Springs in California. Just that one area. Santa Fe Springs, California. If you are a customer of Starbucks, you are loyal. If you go there 16 times a month, you're considered a high volume user. That's about 20% of Starbucks customers are high volume users. But the average for a Starbucks user is 6 times a month. That would be the average for using Starbucks. There's about 87,000 different combinations of drinks that they've developed over the years. 87,000 combinations of drinks that you can buy in Starbucks. As you can see, different sizes depending on different countries. That is a swimming pool. That is a swimming pool which demonstrates how much milk is produced every year in Starbucks. So it's about 93 gallons of milk every year. So filling 155 swimming pools per year is how much milk that they produce, and it's increasing. So some people say Starbucks doesn't sell coffee. Starbucks sells milk. Milk is more sold in Starbucks than coffee because of the volume. Think of Frappuccino, think of cappuccino, think of any kind of mocha or latte. How much coffee or how much milk is going in. All right. Here's a little bit on the sizes. As you can see, I think Japan also has a small, but tall, grande, venti are the main sizes. And in America, there's something called a Trenta, which is a huge cup, which is actually holding slightly more than the average stomach. So you can't drink the whole drink. Physically impossible to drink the whole Trenta drink, which is 916 milliliters. And your average stomach is only 900 milliliters. So you have to go to the toilet at least once to finish the drink, which is pretty crazy. In Japan, other things that you can do is you can send gifts using your smartphone. So you can gift people using apps and just send them a URL or web address, and they can just touch touch in Starbucks and get like a 500 yen drink. So that's just a very quick lecture on the history of Starbucks. Go to the Moodle form, fill it out, 7 questions on that one.